naman mawawala tuwing Puto Festival ang mga reyna na may kanya-kanyang advokasya. Tara't kilalanin kung sino nga ba ang bagong magsusuot ng korona bilang Miss Calasiao Puto Festival 2024.
front of you because of our tradition. And I believe that we can protect this culture and heritage by fostering it and caring for it and celebrating each year and then giving respect by it and not just throwing it away because it is what who built us for who we are today. Thank you.
As a Filipino and as a Calasiao, we always believe that matuto kang bumalik kung saan ka nanggaling. That is always a thing that we've always believed in. So, despite what we see in social media, I do not think that everything we see in social media is right. We should know and cherish our culture because this is who we are since we were born and since who we are now. Thank you.
To help our tradition to stay alive because our municipality has a lot of potential. That's why we have Puto Festival and we have a great tradition and culture that we have passed down generations and we still continue this to pass this to the future generations and apply this as well because it is really important to put significance in our culture as it represents who we are, Calasiaoeños, and that we Calasiaoeños will always remind all the people in the world that even a piece of puto can make everything better and fill everyone with joy. That will be all.
For me, I think my biggest contribution would be to keep our tradition alive because it is up to us. It is up to the future and the present generation to continue our traditions. And I am here because I know we can do it. And I know that Calasiaoeños are capable of doing something more. And that's what I'm proving tonight. Thank you.
So I'm going to keep our tradition alive by like this, having a festival. Because Puto Festivals allows us to celebrate, preserve, and share our traditions with pride. And such events like this, Miss Calasiao Puto Festival, we can instill a sense of pride in our culture. We can instill a sense of identity, and it brings people together. And I would stand here proudly saying that in every corner of Calasiao, you will find a story to tell, a tradition to experience, and a community ready to welcome you with open arms.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for, the announcement of our Miss Calasiao Puto Festival 2024. You are our Miss Calasiao Puto Festival Queen 2024. Candidate number 4, please defend my team. And our runner-up is the Western Hotel. Okay, for the first runner-up, let's award for the first runner-up.
Of course po, 1 year ago, I still remember that feeling of, that astonishing feeling when the crown was put to my head and the Miss Calasiao was placed across my heart. And syempre po, yung nakikita ko ngayon, I was very, very grateful and I was so blessed. And sana po to the future queen, sana po gamitin niyo po yung title niya to inspire other people to and to have grace and compassion with her heart.
Puto Festival Queen 2023, please do the traditional crowning. Miss Calasiao.
Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi unang-una pa lang talaga nilaban namin siya talaga na in-effortan namin unang-una sa lahat syempre siya yung Miss Bod namin, siya yung reigning Miss Bod namin kaya talagang binigay namin yung todo suporta talaga sa kanya kasi talaga nakikita namin sa kanya na deserving po siya.
Puto Festival Queen 2023. Please do the traditional twirling. Miss Calasiao.
Nag-overflow po yung joy. I'm so happy right now. Oh my God. Thank you for all my supporters. Thank you. Grabe, talent pa lang. Super pinag-effortan ko. My walk, my Q&A session. Grabe, thank you to all my coaches. I love you very much. Actually, blanco po. Wala po. Super kinakabahan po kasi talaga po. Grabe po yung overflow ng happiness ko po. Super. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. And sana pumunta kayo dito sa Calasiao. We have our most famous po sa Calasiao here. Enjoy our top attractions like St. Peter and Paul, Senor Divino Tesoro. Thank you. Please, you are always welcome here. So it's really nice to see how these queens fight for their titles because I've been there as well. So alam ko yung feeling kapag kinakabahan ka, but the joy is always there kapag na-feel mo yung support ng family mo. So may this new set of queens help them to promote the tourism of Calasiao, not just the festival, but also the cultural heritage of the town itself. And aside from that, it's also the people, the creativity and the generosity of the people of Calasiao.
Truly, Calasiao is full of stories, pride, and unending aspirations to be better individuals for a better municipality.
Happy Calasiao Puto Festival 2024! Patunay dyan ang mga reyna na may iba't ibang may pagmamalaking ganda, talento at advokasya. And with their newly crowned queen, step by step, a dream will prosper into reality.